3% up. Here, and we are set to trade Nasdaq. Regarding gold, from the higher time frame perspective, what about now? Can you hear me? What about now? Can you hear me now? I'm just waiting for the check to make sure you can hear me, guys. Iva and the rest, can you guys hear me? Yes, perfect, perfect. Good. So I will start from the beginning. At the beginning, I said that the crypto is booming actually. So Bitcoin is up almost 9%, XRP 20%, and all the rest. And then I showed Nasdaq, and I said that's a normal behavior on Nasdaq to do these flashes on the 5 minutes, 15-minute chart. Then all these small size bodies are, they lead to a sort of retracement. I don't know if this retracement ends up as a reversal, but for me the plan is to buy within this channel on Nasdaq. That's the plan for this session. Unless we change direction and we see a lower low here, then will be a different story. But as long as the price is here, I'm looking to buy. Gold, on the other hand, consolidates around this area. Also, it has more bullish implications on the gold. So I will be interested to see some bullish pressure here. So the focus, it's gonna be both Nasdaq and gold today. I kind of like this scenario. What do you guys think? What's your observation today? By the way, did anybody check the news? Or should I check them here? So, guys, what's going on with the non-farm payrolls? Do you know what's going on with the non-farm payrolls? Let's see. I don't see anything here. I don't see anything. I'll check what's going on with the news today. So today's headlines, financial markets. Oh, Google changed its theme here. Yeah, let's check these guys. So reject all. Stellantis shares, okay. Wall Street braces for more pain, even in the face of the market rebound Friday. Trump post racist image of Obama's. EV, the daily routine of a longevity expert, okay. This one here. Trump tariffs fueled US customs. Bond boom. Now billions hang on SCOTUS ruling. Okay. These are just information. We want something actual, you know. We don't want any analyst's opinion. I can do the analysis, that's not a problem. We just need some information why they didn't report the non-farm payroll. What happened with the new Fed chairman? We don't see anything here. Okay. No real value for now on this headline. So the focus remains on Nasdaq and gold, guys. Look at this. The move already gone here. Nasdaq retraced almost 50%. That's the time I eat my apples. And I hope you don't mind. If you mind, I can share some with you, so it's fine. Iva, are you in any trade so far, or anybody else? I just mentioned Iva because that's the only person who wrote on the chat. No. Okay, so here. Okay. Sellers are pushing the price down, obviously. Price now hit it the 61.8. Let's see where this will go. We want to see if the buyers will step in here to rescue the price. Gold made a new high. All right. Guys, this is the XRP. This is a retracement, by the way. Okay, it's not a trend reversal. That's just a retracement. What you see in front of you. And with all cryptos, that's including Bitcoin, Solana, and the rest. The focus is here, at least for me. The focus is right here. It's like one step at a time, one trade at a time, one trend at a time. So no non-farm payrolls today. Guys, how was your trading week so far? By the way, now all the day trading networks operation are successfully moving into the Discord server, our Discord server. So let me share with you something here. We do have the day trading network. I can share the link if you want to join. There is a VIP area for VIP members here that we do some more intense analysis with explanations and all this stuff. But also there is a free community. If you want to join, you are very welcome, where I try to post regularly about, stuff, some stats, and everybody of course can post anything here, okay? But if you want access to the VIP area like other people, then you have to you either contact me or you just go directly and sort it out. But I will share the link shortly. So here is a link for our server. That's done. Guys, how was your week? Do you want to share something? Gold is picking up. Nasdaq is not following through at all. At least for now. Let's see if we can get a reversal anywhere here above these lines. Did anyone short it from the top here, guys? Only on the minute chart there were some divergences here. Price made higher high and the RSI made lower highs. So the deal here is that if the buyers step in and pushes the price to the upside and break above this high, the uptrend will resume. But as for now, the market is down. So far, this downward move is the retracement of this impulsive uptrend. Only at the break of this low, this will be considered as a change of market structure, but not before that. Gold keeps strong. Okay, that false breakout here. But this guy keeps strong up there. Nasdaq is trying hard. I see a doji on the 5-minute chart, a long leg doji, and this can fuel some upward momentum. Let's see. Do you guys have bias on this market? What do you think? Gold follows platinum. That's the chart of platinum. Uptrend. Gold had a deeper retracement, but still uptrend. Price made a higher high here. It closed above this trend line. So far, all this aligns with the overall uptrend of the higher time frame. This is over. Sellers are super aggressive here. Wow. So the buyers failed to pick up the price here. So if we're gonna see the break of this one, then the session will likely to be a seller session, guys. There is a lot going on here in this area, in this region. Oh, 16 seconds left. I don't see the sellers very aggressive, but also I didn't see the buyers very aggressive here. Let's see. Let's see. Who will show strength? Who will be the major player? If we see a solid close below this low, then we have to start thinking about how sellers will interact in this session. Here it comes. Gold is trying for a retracement, but is heavily still bullish. I'm very curious to see the end of the cryptos today, because they are retracing a lot. I don't know whether these retracements will end up to reversals or trend reversals. Bullish trend reversals. Nasdaq tries for the comeback. Momentum is building to the upside. A critical area right now will be the break of this high. if the price breaks this high, and I mean this or the next candle, we're gonna have serious bullish momentum. The game is still on. "24 seconds to find out who is who here." Guys, this is gonna be a critical candlestick, I'm telling you. This one. Just pay attention to this candlestick. It can really determine what's gonna follow in the next 15 to 30 minutes. Buyers are picking up. Whoa. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. I love it. Let's see how this will end. That was the area of interest. And we like to see the follow through. What do you guys think? Ah, okay. Look at this one. Sellers were right at the corner. Amazon is down, Microsoft is down. They gapped down at the open. Platinum is pushing hard. Same gold. Gold has bullish, very, very bullish sentiment. 1 hour in this session. Oh, what is going on, guys? This is super critical level for gold, for Nasdaq. If we fail to take out this high, then sellers will likely to take control of the market. Let's go, let's go. Let's see some momentum. Come on, let's see some continuation here. What, we're gonna stay and just staring the screen? Come on. Push, push, push. You can do it. You can do it. Okay, we made a high. Let's see if we're gonna sustain this bullish pressure until the end. What do you guys think? Buyers will stay? Do you think buyers will stay strong? Yeah, spot on, Ivan. That's a round number here. Yeah, it's a very, very strong number. On the other screen, I have the 1 minute chart, and I see that it's a huge battle right here. Yeah. And the fib, I think you are talking about the fib from here to there. Oh, look at this, 61.8. Yep, spot on. The fib from this high to that low. Cool, cool. Yep, that's very technical, very technical. On the minute chart, this is what we see now. So it's a matter of who will win the battle. Either buyers will push it to the upside, and they're gonna completely smash that move. Now, if we're gonna see the buyers taking out this high due to that level, then we have to see a strong follow through. We just need to wait, or then the sellers will take over and push the price down. It's exactly 5:30, and is this gonna end up as a bearish engulfing now? What? Come on. Just tell us what you're gonna do and do it fast. We need to clear out the base. Looks like sellers trying to win the battle. Wow, this is an intense activity here. Everything is pushing hard against the US dollar, so we have to see some good moves on Nasdaq. Let's see. Yeah, it's Friday. Should we throw the party now? Party's on. It's Friday night. Na, 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 na. Gold is, oh my goodness, this gold doesn't want to retrace anything today. It's just shooting straight up. Platinum, wow, 5% on. So we have a move on Nasdaq. Yes, we do have a good move on Nasdaq. Guys, buyers are taking control here, and I believe that if they're gonna remain high, at least we're gonna see a fill up to this level. We're gonna go up to 860s. That will be my first target here, the 860s. 860s. This is what I see as a first target if we're gonna keep going up. How much time left? 2 seconds. And 8.6, this is exactly, oh my god, 8.6 is exactly. Too much volatility on Nasdaq, huh? Too much. Two seconds. What do you think? Will the price make it up to 860s? Or buyers are not that strong to maintain this upward move? These fluctuations on the price, for new traders, they might look a bit overwhelmed. So you have to get used to it. If you think that, let's say, you cannot keep up with the fluctuations on Nasdaq, you can look to trade, let's say, Euro US dollar, or also gold is super volatile and it fluctuates a lot. But it's their nature, so Forex moves slower. "20 seconds until we see what's gonna happen in this move." So if we end up having a bearish engulfing here, maybe the retracement will be deeper. And as I like to say all the time, anything can happen. Anything can happen, anything. The question you should ask is, if the sellers were, if the buyers were so strong, why didn't they push the price in these two candlesticks to the upside? That's the most valid question. If this trend failed to continue, then we're gonna start maybe looking for, change in the market structure here. That's crazy. Come on, price. Come on. What's going on the 5-minute chart? An inside candlestick on the 5-minute chart. Is it going to follow through? Or buyers will push it to the upside once and for all? It's a very difficult session today, guys. Very difficult. Very difficult session. I'm watching the minute chart on the other screen. Come on. Come on, let's push to the upside. 860s. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. How much time left? 3 seconds for that minute candlestick. On the 1 minute candlestick, there is a bullish engulfing here. We just need a little bit of a push. Hope it's gonna come. I got some positions along the way. I built it some positions from down here, to be honest. As a stop loss, I used the ATR, and I just got out there. So I had a good run, let's say, today. Let me show you what did I do today. So is this one here, the first that was the first position. So that was more than 1-to-1. That was almost 2-to-1. That was again 2-to-1, and that was almost 1-to-1. Okay, but I closed all my trades because it was too much. It just got me here, right there. It got me. It's like when I saw this stuff. Can I zoom in more? No, I cannot zoom in more on MetaTrader, guys. So let's give me 1 minute. No, I cannot zoom in more. So once I saw that the price here didn't move to the upside during an uptrend, the buyers must dominate the market. During an uptrend, the buyers has to come and take responsibility. And in trading, at some point when you say, it's also a mental game. Yeah, when you say I have enough and I'm about to finish my trading session, you don't want to push yourself towards your limits. You only do it at the gym, you only do it outside of trading, you only do it at certain areas you can control the outcome. It's very important. I will share this with you. Let's say if you are someone like me, you wake up at 5 a.m., you go to the gym straightforward, and you start your workout, and you just go all in. Then I come back, I do some coaching, trading, I see my business, my trade reviewing, and all this stuff. But when it's the time to trade, I don't negotiate with the outcomes. I mean, if it's something that from experience I see, then it doesn't move, I'm not going to push it. I'm going to just, okay, that's all what the market had to give. I'm going to take it and walk away. See you later. Now it's going up, but the whole point for me, it was this one here. That was the area of interest. So when I saw this, and I told you that this long leg doji candle can potentially push the price to the upside. And if you are inside the community, you know how I trade, you know that I like to look the ATR, you know that I like to consider values of and areas of interest where Fibonacci's and fair value gaps and some inside supports, all of them, they come nicely together to make some outcomes and to play some trades. Okay, so that was a good week for me. I hope it was a good week for you as well. You can share anything you want on the chat. If you're just passing by this live session, feel free to like, subscribe, follow the channel. Guys, first target 0.860 achieved. Price is here. The lives will be every single day, here on our channel. So on the weekend, make sure you get some rest. Do your back testing if you're going to do back testing. Prepare yourself mentally. I will be happy to see you inside the community, Discord community, because I'm sure you're going to get value like the other people. So guys, I think that's all from me today. I will leave you with that. Take care. Go out and enjoy a little bit. Have fun. Cryptos are booming. Thanks God I bought yesterday quite good amount of cryptos. So take care, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. And as usual, I will see you on Monday morning at the same time. Bye.